how to clear up your psoriasis or eczema or acne and stuff like that. I used to drink a lot of soda. I used to drink a lot of coffee with chicory, and that stuff really fucked me up. Much like drinking and smoking excessively. So I still smoke cigarettes right now. I'm looking to quit that someday before I die. Maybe. I've been working in the kitchen, so sweat, and I think there's some kind of detergent going on. So, but yeah, we're talking about some things that irritate my skin and how my skin used to be and what I'm doing now to help it. Right now it's not bad at all. Like, I had a summer where my socks and everything were like, they grafted to my skin. Like, they were just blood soaked. And like, I would peel them off every day, and I would, they itch so bad. And I didn't know what I was doing. Like, I did all this research thinking, my mom said that I had scabies or some shit like that, so I tried using bleach. It's like, no, I don't have scabies. Found that out, and that was really bad. Anyways, yeah, don't do hot water. Don't drink filtered water, distilled water, preferably. It's well worth an investment, and because okay, crap is in the water, crap in your tap water. There's a lot of reasons not to drink tap water, like E. coli and all that. Fluoride, I always talk about it, for some reason I brain farted. Don't drink tap water. Like, unless you filter it. I mean, you can get some charcoal filters and all that for some bottled water stuff. Don't scratch. Resist the urge. It gets easier. Sometimes there's a really good itch and everything, and you end up paying for it. But those copper fit socks work really well and keep my feet dry. I have a hard time finding socks and shoes that don't make my feet sweat. And then when I lived in New Orleans, oh gosh, the humidity, terrible. But some really, the diabetic socks works wonders. This one kind of deodorant, I don't remember what this one dermatologist told me to use. I'll update you and everything with that when I remember the name. It's I'm not remembering anything right now. Of course, I'm just doing this on the fly. Some deodorant and everything that's really healthy, that doesn't have a whole bunch of shit in it. I just heard about this rock deodorant and everything, this salt deodorant. I'd like to go and try that out. But oh yeah, salt. Try cutting that out of your diet, because at least that's what I did. I cut processed sugars, salt. There's a lot of shit and everything. You more or less, if you go vegan and gluten-free and drink a shit ton of water, your skin's gonna clear up. And don't sweat. You sweat and everything because you're not getting enough water. So watch out for chicory in the coffee. Percent cotton. Light breathing clothing. And we just went and girlfriend just went and got some satin sheets, which are pretty nice. They make you feel all smooth and sexy, whatever. But it's really comfortable, and I haven't had a problem with the sheets sweating or I'm getting too hot in the bed. So, but let your feet air a lot. Change your socks often. Rotate your shoes and smoke excessively. It's actually, they tell you, oh yeah, don't drink or smoke. But a lot of smokers have psoriasis, and I've seen some people and everything with some psoriasis where it's they're completely covered. I'm like, man, and they were just piss ass drink from all the yeast. So when I was drinking, I went to a light IPA, a light yeast beer, like Rolling Rock and everything I was all right with, but I used to drink excessively. So there's just, the best thing to do is just get a allergy test and see what you're allergic to. Like, I found out that, you know, what is it, sodium, one day I was eating some crawfish and my hands just started swelling up, and I think it's from all the sodium or whatever. I need to get myself, I had a whatever test some time ago. I think there's some kind of rat or something like that on the wall. Something. We just moved in here like 3 days ago? 4? Drink a lot of water. At least 60. I believe it's between 60 and 80 fluid ounces, whatever ounces of water a day. Like drink 2 glasses. 2 big glasses of water before you go to bed. It'll help you wake up in the morning, and it's supposed to go and help decrease the risk of like heart failure and like some other shit like that. And then you drink 2 glasses of water when you wake up. Another thing is, you know, just waking up and splashing cold water in your face helps you wake up too. But stretch, exercise, live healthy. It's kind of like no-brainer and all that, but it's just like, I've been dealing with this shit like intensely for like, it comes and goes. It's wintertime right now, but I'm doing pretty alright. I know there's this one winter I was wearing some loafers, like really nice, real comfortable. I wore the shit out of them, and my feet never sweat in them, and my feet were just wonderful. But yeah, you gotta invest in some socks. Like, you can get like 3 pairs for like $9-10 or something like that at Walmart. But for those like diabetic fit ones, so it's like, sure, you can get like, you know, 8 or 16 or whatever, like some other socks, but it's just, your feet are gonna sweat and you're gonna hate yourself for even spending money on them. You're gonna have to throw them away. So you're just more or less burning money right then and there when you buy them. So invest in diabetic socks, drink a lot of water, get an allergy test. It's well worth an investment, which I need to do again, because I moved and lost my result. If you're gonna drink and smoke, drink a lot of water. Like, for every alcoholic drink, have a glass of water. And, you know, it'll help you know, not get hungover in the morning, and all sorts of healthy stuff, benefits. With detergents, free and clear, hypoallergenic. You know, you get something like, girlfriend got some Tide gel things, and use that to wash my clothes. And yeah, I'm noticing around my armpits, since I've been working in the kitchen too, they broke out a little bit. But I have this one steroid cream. It's been taking it off the edge. And Allegra and Zyrtec and whatnot, antihistamines, they work wonders. I used to do Benadryl all the time, but you start doing that for a while, and they just kind of, if I didn't take 1 or 2, I couldn't sleep. I'd be up for forever. But I try not to take them too much. But I usually start up, you know, take 1, 2, 3 a day of the Zyrtec, because the Benadryl and everything, if I pop them, I'd just be tired the entire next day. But I mean, if you're needing to sleep, like, just pop them 1, but make sure you're going to bed. Otherwise, you could just be up for a long time. I've done a lot of research on my psoriasis. Like, I'm one of those lucky candidates and everything that have one of those rare forms that it's probably the more intense ones, where it's like the pulsate or pustular psoriasis. where I get these little blisters and they just like swell. Like right here, like if you get like a burn or something like that, like it's not bad right now, but like you can't take really hot showers or baths. Speaking of which, Epsom salt does wonders. Helps calm the skin down, helps soothe, and back. Sometimes you can like gently exfoliate your skin with it when you're in the tub, because you don't want to go crazy with it and everything. I don't really suggest exfoliating with it unless you're doing real light and everything, like, because when you get that really good itch, like you just want to be like but resist the itch. I know cat scratches and everything really fuck me up, so really like the Allegra